Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Debbie Lifestyle and Family. If today's your first time seeing this beautiful face, you're welcome to my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon in case I post any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so today I'll be pointing out the things you should never do as a woman. The things you should never do as a woman. 1. Don't force yourself on people that doesn't want you. Don't force yourself on people that doesn't want you. I hope you get that. It's very clear. Do not force yourself on people that doesn't want you. 2. Don't force yourself on a man that cares less about you. Do not force yourself on a man that cares less about you. Number 3, don't beg for love where don't beg for love where there isn't any. You know that this man doesn't love you, or probably you know that this man cannot even love you, but you are begging for where you know that is impossible, like mission impossible. So do not beg for love where there isn't any. That is very clear. I hope you get that. As a woman, you should know your self-worth. As a woman, you should know, you should have some dignity. You should have some respect for yourself. Do not beg for love where there isn't any. Number 4, don't be too desperate. Do not be too desperate. You know what I'm trying, like, you know what I'm talking about. Don't be too desperate. Okay, do not be desperate. Number 5, the things you should never ever do is to beg a man for love. You want a man to love you. Sorry, I had to jot things down. Okay, so if you see me going like this, just know. All right, so I had to jot things down so I don't forget, because this is very important for we the ladies to know. This is very important for we the young ladies to know, because some of us are too desperate. Some of us, we want men like as if maybe they are sharing money. So I jotted things so it don't slip off my head, because a lot is actually going on with my head right now. So when you see me holding my book, like, just know. So where was I? Okay, the things you should never do is to beg a man for love. I will summarize all these things, but let me just point things out first. Number 6, don't be a beggy type. Do not be a beggy type. 1, I don't know how a young girl, you are beautiful, you are smart, you are everything, but yet you're begging a man for love. You are too desperate. Listen, the moment a man notices that you're desperate, the moment a man notices that you're desperate, he will begin to look less of you. He will begin to see you as a less of a woman. He feels that you don't even know your self-worth. Listen, as a young girl, the least thing that will be running will be running in your mind, like, it's not only how to get a man, how to know. There are so many things you should occupy yourself with. Love will find you. You are a beautiful woman. You are a woman who's supposed to have dignity. There are a lot of things that are supposed to occupy your mind, or supposed to occupy your brain. Everything is not all about men. Now the question is, if you get this man, what can you offer him? If you eventually get one, what can you offer him? The least thing you can offer him is to sleep with him, and after that, what next? Nothing. Don't be too desperate. Don't beg a man for love as if your life depends on it. The only thing that they will do to them, they will only use you, and after which they will dump you as a piece of shit that you are. Sorry for using that word, because some girls, they are fond of doing that. Going after men, begging men. It's uncalled for. Occupy your mind, occupy your brains with so many other good things of life. Love will find you where you are. You don't have to beg for it. You don't have to stress yourself out for it. At the end, they will use you and dump you like a piece of rag. They will use you and dump you. Don't be too desperate. Don't give the man the impression that you're desperate, because you will not like the outcome. You will not like the outcome. And don't be a beggy type. When I say don't be a beggy type, what do I even mean by that? One, the man offend you, you beg. You offend him, you beg. They offend you, you beg. You're just the beggy type. If you offend a man and you beg the man, it's very okay. The fact that you're the one who offended him, then you later went back to apologize, you are not doing anything wrong. But the fact that he offends you and you also be the one to go and apologize is what I don't get. Allow a man to admit to his mistake. Allow a man to admit his mistake. Allow a man to ask for your forgiveness, because he was the one who wronged you. Listen, what you don't know. In a relationship, you are begging. Even when he offends you, you are the one who's to go. Listen, if that man eventually married you, he will beg till eternity. If that man, by mistake or whatever, marries you, you will beg. You will beg forever. You will be the one to be looking for who will carry you out from that marriage, because you will no longer feel guilty. He will no longer feel. He will not even be remorse like he did something, because this is how you were once with him. Even when you guys were courting, were doing your relationship, your boyfriend and girlfriend, you were the one begging. He cheats on you, you beg him. He offends you, you beg him. Everything that he does that is very wrong to you, you beg him. You don't even know your worth no more. It's like you're seeing lesser of yourself. You don't have confidence in yourself anymore. Maybe you're scared that maybe if I leave this one, nobody would. My dear sister, don't be a desperate person. Don't be too desperate. Don't be desperate. It takes one to acknowledge his mistake and take the greater one to apologize. So allow them to apologize anytime they did wrong to you. Not you begging. Even if community beats you, you still go and beg. Desperado. You're just too desperate. You're just too desperate. You are always desperate. If a man cannot apologize to you when he did something wrong to you in a relationship, what makes you feel he will apologize to you even when he gets married to you and did something wrong? What makes you feel so? A man cannot apologize to you. A man cannot, sorry for what I did is wrong, I know. What makes you think that once he pays your bride price, what makes you feel that he will apologize to you when he gets married to you? Because that one is one ticket for Obodo Ibo. He feels he owes you completely. Because you're just the beggy type. Everything you beg, this and that you beg. You offend him, you beg. He offends you, you beg. Community offend you, they offend you, you beg. You're always begging. What are you begging? Beg him when you offend him. Beg him when it is necessary. Don't beg him just because you want. And some people say, just beg and make peace, just make a relationship. The relationship that you think that you value, ask yourself, does that man values that relationship? What makes you think that man they reason you the way you they reason him? What makes you feel so? Or what makes you think so? So, my dear, don't be desperate. Do not be desperate. I have only few words for you guys. Okay, I just feel that some people need to hear this. Some of our desperate women, girl out there who are looking for the next bus stop to enter. Last, once they sleep with you, they're going to dump you like a piece of shit. So how they put it, a word is enough for only those when get ear to take and take ear. Don't beg for love. Don't beg people to love you. Don't be too desperate. Don't be a beggy type. Don't beg a man to love you. Love, you don't beg for love. Love finds you. Love has its own way of speaking. You look into a man's eyes with a man who is a real man. When you look at his eyes, it tells everything. You see your life, you see your children, you see your future. You see just by looking into his eyes. So what are you begging? You're begging for everything. Practically, you're begging for everything. Relax yourself and let love find you. Stop begging for love. Don't be that desperate person, because the moment you begin to be that desperate person, a man will begin to look lesser of you. You will lose your self-confidence. You will lose your self-worth. You will lose your self-respect. Don't be a beggy type. And don't be desperate. Don't beg anybody to stay in your life. If they don't want to stay, let them go. If they don't want to stay, let them go. The one that will come and stay will find you. That one is a true love. No matter what happens, they never say, and go. No. The one that truly loves you will come and stay. You don't have to stress. You don't have to begin to beg. Those ones beg when they did something wrong to you. You're supposed to be their baby. Of course, women, they are baby to their husbands, to their man. The same way you see them as your Lord, you see them as your king. They are supposed to see you as their queen. So when they offend their queen, they're supposed to beg their queen for forgiveness, because indeed they have wronged their queen. Not you always going to beg. They offend you, you beg. I don't even know how many times I will say this, because it's so annoying. They offend you, you beg. Even when you offend him, you'll still go and beg. But if he offends you, they don't beg. It's so annoying. It's so annoying how desperate some women can be just for love. The question is, once you get that person, once you get that love, what can you offer that person? Nothing. Once they see that you cannot offer anything, they will only use you. After they are done making you, they will dump you one side. Then you have yourself to blame. That is it. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to bore you today with this. I just guess some people need to hear this and have sense. Like some people don't have sense. Some people need to hear this and have sense. So a word is enough for only the people that are wise and for only the people that have ears. Okay, so I guess I'll be dropping this here, and I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, always comment. Your comment goes a long way. Okay, your comment helps us, helps me in particular to do more. So please always like, share, and comment. I'll see you on my next video. I love you guys. Bye.